Hi there, I'm Angie. Welcome to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm going to show you how I did my summer makeup look and also a try on American Eagle haul. So recently I did a show my AE jeans challenge on Instagram and I actually won a American Eagle denim bag and also a 300 Hong Kong dollars coupon. So I decided to go on a shopping spree and I bought actually more than I expected. Besides that coupon, I bought everything with my own money. So without further ado, let's try on some clothing. First thing I bought is this tie strap jumpsuit. It has a floral pattern on it, super cute, and I'm pairing it with my Adidas. The second thing I bought is this night wash denim skirt. Top is from Hollister and sneakers are from Nike. I love the button details on the front. Item number 3 is this colorful cropped CAMI. The fabric is really soft and comfy. I love it. And I'm just pairing it with a button-down shirt from Hollister, short from Bershka, and my Nikes. Of course, you can wear it on its own. Last item is this high-waisted MIDI skirt. Red tee is from Uniqlo. White Nikes again. Moving on to my summer makeup. First, you want to prime your face, then foundation. Use concealer to hide your imperfections. Then set your face with powder. I'm using pressed powder for more coverage. Time for brows. Eyeshadow base is a must. Using the shade Devious, I'm putting it all over the crease area. Use a clean brush to blend the harsh edges. Then I'm using this yellow shadow to do a half-cut crease. Devious again to darken the outer corner. Use Devious for the lower lash line as well. Then eyeliner. After curler, use mascara. Use the shade No Spots to highlight the brow bone. Lately, I've been loving using Jelly Mush shadow in the shade Rejamming as highlights. Can't forget to bronze. I'm using orange brush for this look. Add orange lip and you're done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay beautiful.